Dear viewers, decorating your home is an exciting experience. You may be brimming with ideas and eager to get started, but it is best to consider several criteria before doing so. We can help you finalize the right shelves for each room. Modern wall shelf designs and standalone cabinets have undergone a sea of change, from objects of storage to becoming pieces of art that make a creative statement in urban homes. Wall shelves that make a statement, designs that are out of the box, and usability that makes you question how you ever got on before should be some of the aspects you should consider. Whether it is your living room, your bedroom, the kitchen, or the bathroom, they are all equally important areas of the house, and there are modern wall shelf ideas for every one of them. Wooden shelves are a versatile and timeless addition to any room. They can be used to display your favorite books, plants, or decorative items. One popular option is reclaimed wood shelves, which add character and warmth to your space. These shelves are perfect for a cozy, farmhouse inspired look. If you are prefer a more modern aesthetic, consider sleek, minimalist wood shelves. These shelves blend seamlessly into any contemporary setting. For a unique twist, try incorporating floating wooden shelves. These shelves create a clean, airy look and are perfect for showcasing artwork or photos. No matter your style, wooden shelves can elevate your home decor. So why not add a touch of natural beauty to your space today? For smaller sized rooms, select wall shelf designs that are lighter in look, with cleaner cuts and corner designs, and utilize space better. The color of the wood or molded wrought iron should match the walls. The depth of the shelves should be ideally no more than 12 inches. You can either opt for standing shelves or shelves that can hinge on your wall. You will find modern wall shelf designs in contemporary and traditional styles. Some of them look good in either decor settings. If you have converted any part of a room or an entire room into a study, you know that requirements for this can be very specific. This room needs to be comfortable, functional, with natural light and air, as well as have enough storage to accommodate your stationery, books, files, among other things. Dear viewers, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas and inspiration. Thank you.